Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup blog, and today I am doing a quick review, unboxing of my Refreshments, which is a brand that's an offshoot of the Ipsy Care line. This is their, how should I describe it? Their bathroom edition. And when I mean bathroom, I mean like soaps, deodorants, toiletries. Isn't that neat? I love the blurb in here where it says, "Why settle for basics when you can have refreshments?" Cute little box. Let's see what's inside. My usual monthly shaving blades. Comes in this cute little packet. Comes with a set of 2. They're developing more products for the My Refreshments line, which is great. They send like a little thing maybe a couple of months back, where they asked, what would you like to see us, debuted in our line? We like to expand. And I went, well, soap. I mean, if you have deodorant and you have body wash, why not soap? And lo and behold, here's the first one. And this is the Brilliant Body Bar Ginger Splash. It comes in this cute little packaging, very colorful, very cute. And it says the star ingredients is ginger root and mango butter. Wow. So this is supposed to be more, My Refreshments is more about the clean beauty side, and that includes the deodorant and cleansing products. And I think they're supposed to be coming out with shampoo next. I'm on the fence about getting it. I may just get it because I'm just curious that way. Look at this cute soap. It starts off like this with their Refreshments logo. And then it looks like a body bar, but this is a soap bar. This is not, you know what I mean? This is not something that comes apart. This is an actual bar of soap. And I smell a bit of the ginger in there. Mango butter is gonna be moisturizing and hydrating, so I can't wait to try out this little bad boy. But I'm just loving the way it's designed like this. It's so cute. I love it. So let's see what you have next. The scent, I feel like it's a scent that I've smelled before. I don't know. Here's the next body bar that we see here listed. This again, a Brilliant Body Bar, and they have it in the scent of Coconut Culata. So let's see how this bar of soap looks. It says it's recyclable. I'm assuming it's the box. Made in USA with globally sourced ingredients. Very nice. This is, of course, for external use only. Avoid direct contact with the eyes. I think we all know, if it's not common sense, you should know. You never put a bar of soap or any kind of cleansing agent that's not, do not put it in the eyes or near the eyes. It says avoid direct contact with eyes. It also says it's certified organic. Do you see that there? Yeah, it says it right there, certified organic. And the star ingredients in here is organic coconut oil and mango butter. Do you see that? This sounds yummy. And I think I already smell the coconut. Ooh, it's a nice scent. It's not overpowering. It's not making me feel sick or anything at this moment, but simple, beautiful, classic shaped soap bar. And you might, I don't know, because the lighting's weird here, but there you go. You see the My Refreshments logo embossed in the soap with the R, and the glass with the sip. And it definitely smells like coconut. I think this might be the one I try first. They had a third one. I think it was that citrus fizz one. I didn't have such a great experience with the natural deodorant version of it. It just did not, my body just reacted to it weird. So I chose not to go with that. But that third bar is like a circle, it's like an oval, the soap. And I think it's on the orange side. It looks a little like clear, like the old-fashioned soaps that you would see in your grandparents' bathroom. But I decided not to get that fizz one. I just decided to go with these two and try it. So I'm gonna do probably a follow-up update regarding these two products, because these are new. And yes, I did mention, because I was like, are they gonna come out with shampoo? I think that's the next thing they're coming out with. So I'm kind of on the fence on whether or not I should get it, because I'm already on a hair care plan. But who knows? I just might. So what do you think about My Refreshments expanding their cleansing line beyond deodorant, natural deodorant, and body wash and shavers and shaving cream to these bar soaps, which I'm adoring. I can't wait to use them. I'm so excited. The shavers, I continue to stay on course with that. Here's another thing. I understand that they came out with yet a different shaver. I don't know if it was to replace the first one that they first came out with, but I don't know if it's better or worse, and I'm kind of unsure whether I should order it or not. Why don't you let me know in the comments below, and I'll probably check with Ipsy to see what the story is on that. Well, not Ipsy. Ipsy owns My Refreshments, but My Refreshments. I will contain an empty on here. This is the Pillowy Shave Cream and Citrus Spritz. This stuff is awesome. There's not anything in here, but there's nothing in here. Okay, I have used this. The scent, again, is that Spritz line that they have. I was like, but I used this one for my legs because I don't think they had any other scents at the time. Like, they don't have a lavender one, they don't have a coconut one. At the time when I ordered it, I don't think they had those out. I think they only had this. So I tried this one out. So this is my first empties from the My Refreshments line, other than the shavers that are disposable that I replace. I would highly recommend this. This comes out like a cream, and then you put it between your hands and you do this, and it starts to suds up and foam, and then you just place it on wherever you're gonna shave, and it feels great. You know, first, of course, you have to make sure that the area that you're shaving has already been wet by, you know, water, and then you apply this because water helps to activate it even better. Amazing. I loved it. It adds a nice slick to the skin, and it makes it so much easier to shave. I say bravo. This I would highly recommend. Are you a subscriber to My Refreshments? Again, let me know in the comments below. What have you tried? Are you gonna try out the soaps? Have you tried out the shaving cream? Have you tried out their body wash? Again, let me know in the comments below. I'm so excited because I'm kind of on the fence about trying out the shampoos. They say they're natural, but I'd have to obviously go for something that's moisturizing, and I don't know. Why don't you let me know in the comments below? I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence on it. But thank you for joining me on my latest video adventure, and I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you know my next video will be up. Thank you again for joining me, and I'll see you on my next one. Take care, stay safe, bye.